We all have need for shelter and a place for refuge. We believe on the need for a good home that provides protection. Nonetheless, on this video, we will not just reveal some housing properties, but will showcase some awe-astonishing and luxurious mansions that can be found in the United States. Before anything else, don't forget to hit the like button and the bell notification to stay updated for more engaging, luxurious, and fascinating video contents. Here's now the top 10 most luxurious mansions in the United States. Number 10. Hearst Castle. Some of the people dreamed of living on a castle, and Hearst Castle Mansion could be one among them. This castle mansion has 68,500 square foot, 45 bedrooms, 65 bathrooms, and 19 sitting rooms. These mansion also have 127 acres gardens, an airfield, tennis courts, and a movie theater. Looks captivating enough, but it doesn't stop there. It also has one unique features that capture the public attention, and these are the iconic indoor Roman pool and an outdoor pool. The pool has been made of dark mosaic tile in blue, orange, and gold, together with the surrounding statues. This is captured and patterned by Roman bath at Carcalia. The castle also have the world's largest zoo during Hart's lifetime. Astonishing, right? Well, most of the animals that can be found there were exotic creatures, such as zebras, lions, tigers, leopards, elephants, swans, and many more. This castle is a realization of one boy's dream named William Randolph Hearst, who owned this mansion and built it with the help of architect Julia Morgan. Number 9. Linwood Hall. This is a 70,000 square foot mansion that has 110 rooms in total and is commonly known as Neoclassical Revival Mansion. It has 55 bedrooms that definitely allow excellent experience for anyone to stay. Not only this, but also its large gallery for entertainment and a ballroom that can accommodate 1,000. This mansion hall also have a nice swimming pool, a wine cellar, a farm that you could enjoy the view and visit, a carpentry and upholstery studio, and lastly, an electrical power plant. Number 8. Meadowbrook Hall. The Meadowbrook Hall has 88,000 square foot, 1,400 plus acres. Few of its amazing features are the rare Art Deco bathrooms that are extremely unique. These also have 3 fancy kitchens, 25 bathrooms ready to use for comfort, and 23 bedrooms that can make all the difference for overnight stay. This hall has been known for a great place for weddings, as it can accommodate a total of 100 seats for formal dining in Christopher Wren's dining room. Aside from this, 94 seats are available for Christopher Wren's room's eating area, and another 6 extra guests to comfortably occupy in a nearby breakfast nook. This mansion hall is owned by Richard and Barbara Wilson. Number 7. The Modern Versailles. Who would have thought that a house can have 9 kitchens, 14 bedrooms, 3 indoor pools, 2 outdoor pools, a video arcade, a 500 to 1,000 persons capacity ballroom, and 2-story movie theater with luxurious balcony? Quite unbelievable? It surely is not, until this Modern Versailles has been built. This mansion house is made of precast concrete with pavonazzo marble veneer. In total, it is 90,000 square foot and is known as the America's largest family home that cost $50 million. This mansion is owned by no other than the famous David Sigel and his family. Number 6. Shadow Lawn. This main house is a 52-room mansion, and this served as summer White House by President Woodrow Wilson. But this was developed by John A. McCall. This is made through limestone quarried steel and concrete framing that are waterproof and Italian marbles. This mansion is a total of 91,469 square foot, composed of other numerous rooms. Number 5. Winterthur. Winterthur is a mansion with a 175-room house and is well known for the unparalleled 90,000 objects made in America that are available inside. What are those to be exact? it will be ours to visit on Discover. But this mansion is said to be a premier museum of American decorative arts. This mansion is a total of 96,582 square foot and is founded by Henry Francis DuPont. Number 4. Arden House. Arden House is a classic mansion that has unique luxurious benefits and a grand capacity of accommodation because of its large and a total of 97,000 square foot. With that being said, this mansion has an excellent dramatic music rooms patterned by medieval Great Hall, an available satellite TV, and above all else, hospitality tray with tea, coffee, biscuits, and water. This also has a work desk with hair dryer, and on the second floor has an Indian corridor featuring photographs of Native Americans. All in all, this mansion has 97 guest rooms, a formal dining room, and numerous bathrooms. Feels like a home of a millionaire? It surely is. This luxurious mansion was built in 1909 by an American financier and railroad executive Edward Henry Harriman. Number 3. The One. This mansion holds the title as the biggest U.S. modern home. Let us know the reasons why this earned such a title. Well, to start off, this mansion has an amazing nightclub for unwinding, a spa for relaxation, 40-seat cinema for entertainment, 5 swimming pools, a tennis court, and a 4-lane bowling alley for sports activities, and a 400-feet private outdoor running track. This is a mansion with 100,000 square foot composing of 20 bedrooms, 30 bathrooms, and an auto gallery that can fit 30 cars. Sounds beyond belief? I thought so too, but not until you know who owned this. Well, it was owned by a successful real estate developer and a well-known film producer from United States named Nile Niami. Number 2. 108 years old Oaxaca Castle Mansion. Oaxaca Castle Mansion is a mansion built around 1914 to 1919 by Otto Hermann Kahn, who was a German-born American investment banker, collector, philanthropist, and patron of the arts. His house, Oaxaca Castle, is known because of its stunning tapestries, jaw-dropping glass chandeliers, and expensively valuable paintings by Botticelli. Aside from this, it has been most recognized venue for prestigious weddings in the whole world and is known as the largest house in New York. Interesting, isn't it? But it doesn't stop there. This castle house was made of concrete, brick, and steel. It has about 109,000 square foot with a total number of 127 rooms originally, and now have 32 guest rooms and suites. This mansion has been exposed to a lot of social, celebrities, and dignitaries photoshoots and other television movies. Thus, this is worth to showcase. Not mentioning it attracts a lot of 5-star rated reviews of tourists who had experiences in visiting the spacious and marvelous mansion. Number 1. Biltmore House. It is an extremely famous tourist destination known as the National Historic Landmark and America's largest home. But before it became a tourist destination, it was simply a home to the Vanderbilt family. This is a home spanning 175,000 square foot. The house is an example of Beaux-Arts architecture style, composed of interior American Renaissance archetypes along with European antiques, architectural salvage, and other fine period array of historical styles. The mansion has 8,000 acres to explore, and you can choose to do it by riding a bicycle or just do hiking. You can visit and relax in its French Broad River, dense forest, and open meadows and network trails. Don't forget to stop by and include on your list the soaring glass ceiling conservatory field with exotic orchids in full bloom. Biltmore is known for its gardens and grounds, including the Rose Garden that has 250 varieties. It also has indoor tasting room and outdoor or indoor wine bar. In addition, there's a village located at the back of Biltmore which is called Antler, which highlights the farming legacy of George Valdermer, the antler, hill barn, and farmyard. The mansion also has an eye-captivating rooftop views. This is also a mansion with 250 French Renaissance chateau that has 35 bedrooms, 43 bathrooms, and 65 fireplaces that will definitely warm you during winter. Moreover, European and Oriental paintings, porcelains, bronzes, carpets, and furnitures are all over the said mansion. Equally stunning is the amazing massive room of Banquet Halta, which has a 7-story high ceiling along with its triple fireplace, and a dinner table sits with plenty of space for additional small tables. The first room you will see is the Winter Garden. Consequently, you will witness some amazing art collections and experience a breakfast room that is always decorated with seasonal flowers. Out of all 250 rooms in Biltmore House, George Vanderbilt's 2-story library is often the guest favorite. Consists of 24,000 volumes, with less than half of that in the library. The room was designed about the gorgeous 18th century ceiling painting. Last but not the least, the owner George Vanderbilt's bedroom and his wife Edith Vanderbilt, which has been connected to each other by few doorways. The mansion's house has been said to contain more than 11 million bricks. The massive stone spiral staircase rises 4 floors and has 102 steps. Through its center hangs an iron chandelier suspended from a single point, containing 72 electric light bulbs. So much for our journey at knowing all the top luxurious mansions in the United States. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a comment below as to which among the featured mansions hooked your interest. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.